Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Is there a charging station nearby?
Yes, there is one at the mall.
How do I start the charger?
Just plug it into your car.
Does it take a long time?
About 30 minutes for a fast charge.
Do I need a membership card?
No, you can pay with your phone.
Is the cable long enough?
Yes, it reaches the back of the car.
How much does it cost?
It is usually $5 per hour.
Can I leave my car here?
Only while it is charging.
Is the charger working?
The green light means it is ready.
Do I have to wait in line?
There are 3 spots open now.
Is this a fast charger?
Yes, it is a level 3 charger.
How do I stop the session?
Press the stop button on the screen.
Is it safe to charge in the rain?
Yes, the equipment is waterproof.
Where is the connector?
It is on the side of the machine.
Is my car full yet?
Check the app on your phone.
Do I need to bring my own cable?
No, the station has one attached.
Why is it blinking red?
That means there is an error.
Can I pay with cash?
Most stations only take credit cards.
Is there a place to sit?
There is a cafe across the street.
Is it okay to unplug now?
Yes, the battery is at 80%.
Where do I put the nozzle back?
Hang it back on the holster. Did you get the door code?
Yes, the host sent it via text.
How many digits is the code?
It is a 4-digit number.
Do I need to turn the handle?
Wait for the click first.
Is the keypad lit up?
Touch the screen to see the numbers.
What if the code doesn't work?
We can call the manager.
Do we have a physical key?
No, it is a keyless entry.
Should I press the star key?
Yes, after you type the numbers.
Is the door locked now?
It locks automatically after 10 seconds.
Is there a battery backup?
Yes, there is a port at the bottom.
Can I use an app to open it?
The host said we can use Bluetooth.
Is the Wi-Fi connected to the lock?
Yes, it needs the internet to update.
Did you hear a beep?
Yes, that means it is open.
Do I need to pull the door?
Push it gently after the sound.
Where is the sensor?
It is right above the handle.
Does everyone have a code?
We only have one code for the group.
Is the door stuck?
Try lifting the handle a little.
Can we change the code?
No, only the owner can do that.
Is it a touch screen?
No, it has real buttons.
Is the light red or green?
Turned green, so go ahead.
Do I need to lock it from inside?
Just turn the small knob.
Can I send you a voice note?
Sure, I am driving right now.
Is the microphone working?
Yes, your voice is very clear.
How do I record my message?
Hold down the blue icon.
Is it too long to listen?
It is only 30 seconds.
Can you hear me okay?
It is a bit noisy in the background.
Did you get my audio file?
Yes, I am listening to it now.
How do I delete this note?
Swipe left to remove it.
Is there a hand-free mode?
Yes, just slide your finger up.
Can I speed up the playback?
Yes, you can play it at double speed.
Why is the sound so low?
Turn up the volume on your side.
Can I pause the recording?
Yes, tap the pause button.
Is it private if I play it here?
Put the phone to your ear.
Did I speak too fast?
No, I understood everything.
Can I listen before I send it?
Yes, use the preview feature.
Does it use a lot of data?
No, voice notes are small files.
Can you hear the music?
Yes, it sounds very nice.
Is it easier than typing?
Yes, especially when I am busy.
Do you prefer a phone call?
No, voice notes are better for me.
Is there a limit on time?
Some apps allow up to 10 minutes.
Should I re-record it?
No, it is fine as it is.
Is the free trial over?
Yes, it ended yesterday.
How much is the monthly fee?
It is $12 a month.
Can I cancel at any time?
Yes, there is no long contract.
Does it renew automatically?
Yes, it charges your card every month.
Can I share my password?
The new rules say you cannot.
Is there a student discount?
Yes, you need a school email.
How do I change my plan?
Go to the account settings.
Is the family plan worth it?
Yes, it covers 5 people.
Why was I charged twice?
You should contact customer support.
Do they have an annual plan?
Yes, you save money if you pay for a year.
Is this a premium account?
Yes, it has no ads.
How do I update my card?
Click on the billing section.
Is there a refund policy?
Only if you cancel within 7 days.
Can I use it on my tablet?
Yes, it works on all devices.
Did you get the confirmation email?
Yes, it is in my inbox.
Is the content available offline?
Yes, you can download it first.
How do I sign out?
The button is at the bottom of the page.
Is it hard to unsubscribe?
No, it only takes 2 clicks.
Does it include tax?
No tax is added at the end.
Can I pause my membership?
Yes, for up to 3 months.
Which truck has the shortest line?
Pizza truck looks empty.
What should I order here?
The spicy tacos are famous.
Do they have vegetarian options?
Yes, they have a black bean burger.
Is it spicy?
It has just a little heat.
Where do I pick up my food?
Wait by the side window.
Do you want to share some fries?
Yes, let's get a large bucket.
Do they take Apple Pay?
Yes, just tap your phone here.
Is there any shade to sit in?
There are umbrellas over there.
How long is the wait?
It will take 15 minutes.
Can I get a napkin?
They are in the dispenser.
Is the soda refillable?
No, it is a one-time bottle.
Do they have kids' meals?
Yes, they have chicken nuggets.
Where is the trash can?
It is next to the exit.
Is this truck organic?
Yes, they use local ingredients.
Can I get extra sauce?
Costs 50 cents more.
Is the food hot?
Yes, it just came off the grill.
Do they have desserts?
The blue truck has churros.
Is there a public bathroom?
Yes, behind the main stage.
Can I customize my order?
Yes, tell the chef what you want.
Is the festival open tomorrow?
No, today is the last day.
What is forest bathing?
It is walking slowly to relax in nature.
Should we turn off our phones?
Yes, let's keep it quiet.
Do I need special shoes?
Comfortable sneakers are fine.
Can you hear the birds?
Yes, they sound very peaceful.
Is the trail very steep?
No, it is a flat path.
What can you smell?
Pine trees smell fresh.
Should we stop here?
Yes, let's close our eyes.
Is it okay to touch the moss?
Yes, it feels very soft.
Are there bugs here?
Just a few butterflies.
How long is the session?
Lasts for 1 hour.
Do you feel more relaxed?
Yes, my mind is calm.
Is it going to rain?
The sky looks very clear.
Can we sit on this log?
Yes, it is a good spot.
Is the air cold?
It is a bit chilly under the trees.
What is that sound?
It is water in the small stream.
Should I take pictures?
Try to just look with your eyes.
Is the guide speaking?
He is whispering very softly.
Can I bring water?
Yes, stay hydrated.
Is the path muddy?
No, it is dry today.
Do you want to go again?
Yes, I love this place.
Where is the entrance?
Follow the blue arrows.
Do I need a ticket?
The machine scans your plate.
Where do I park the car?
Drive onto the metal platform.
Should I leave the engine on?
No, turn it off and get out.
Is my car too tall?
Check the height limit sign.
How do I get my car back?
Enter your code at the kiosk.
How long will it take?
The robot brings it in 2 minutes.
Is it safe in there?
Yes, no one can touch it.
How much is the daily rate?
It is 20 euros per day.
Do I pay now or later?
You pay when you leave.
Is there a person working here?
No, it is fully automated.
Can I leave my bags in the car?
Yes, it is very secure.
What if I lose my ticket?
Press the help button for assistance.
Is the exit on this side?
Yes, look for the green sign.
Do they take cash?
Only cards or mobile payments.
Is there a discount for small cars?
No, the price is the same.
Can I book a spot online?
Yes, use their official website.
Is it open 24 hours?
Yes, it never closes.
Wait, did I lock the doors?
The machine locks them for you.
Is it electric car friendly?
Some spots have chargers inside.
Can I take some seeds?
Yes, you can take 3 packets.
Do I have to pay?
No, it is a free service.
Where are the flower seeds?
They are in the top drawer.
Do I need a library card?
Yes, please show it to me.
What should I plant now?
Tomatoes are good for spring.
How do I grow these?
There are instructions on the back.
Do I need to return the seeds?
No, you bring back new seeds later.
Are these organic seeds?
Yes, they are all natural.
Can I have some basil seeds?
Sure, they are very popular.
Is there a limit per person?
5 packets per month is the limit.
Do they need a lot of sun?
Yes, at least 6 hours a day.
What is in this envelope?
Those are sunflower seeds.
Are these easy for beginners?
Yes, lettuce is very easy to grow.
Where did these seeds come from?
Other gardeners donated them.
Can I grow these in a pot?
Yes, herbs grow well in pots.
Is there a gardening club here?
Yes, they meet every Saturday.
Do I need to sign the log?
Yes, write your name and the date.
Are there any pumpkin seeds?
We are out of those right now.
Is this a new program?
We started it last year.
Thank you for the help.
You are very welcome. Happy planting!